Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the exact laptop model because replacement parts and keyboard layout vary. Once you know the model, power off, unplug, and remove the battery if removable. This prevents short circuits. Make sure you ground yourself to avoid static damage. Keep a small Phillips, flathead, a plastic pry tool, and a labeled container for screws. These first steps reduce surprises. They set you up for a clean, safe disassembly and faster reassembly. Once done, remove the screws holding the bezel or back cover and carefully pry it open. You'll see the keyboard secured by screws or clips. Lift the keyboard edges slowly to reveal ribbon cables underneath. Make sure you note each screw's length and location as you go because reassembly depends on it. Release the ZIF connector latch by flipping it up, then slide the ribbon cable out gently. These steps prevent cable damage and make replacing the keyboard. You finish by inserting the replacement keyboard ribbon into the ZIF connector and closing the latch. Make sure it seats straight and secure. Before sealing everything, power on and test the keyboard to confirm key response and backlight function. Once confirmed, power down and reassemble the bezel and screws in reverse order, ensuring all clips snap correctly. If keys don't work, reseat the ribbon, inspect the connector for debris, and test with an external USB keyboard to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.